everyone. So I'm Aymeric. I'm head of data science Nationwide. For those who are not in the UK, Nationwide is a little bit like a bank. Well, it is close to a bank. We offer a lot of mortgages, current accounts, savings, many other things. But in theory, we're not a bank. There's no private shareholders or anything. It's owned by the customers, or we call them members. So in philosophy, it's not quite a bank, really. And yeah, I'm heading the data science in the kind of centralized data and analytics department. There are other teams nationwide who do a lot of analytics, so people in risk, the usual suspects, risk, mortgages, and people like that. But yeah, we do work on many different things, ranging from financial crime to marketing or many other things. So that's quite broad.
Perfect. Thanks a lot for the intro. And indeed, it does sound like a pretty broad spectrum of the data science use cases. So I'll be looking forward to hearing a little bit more about them. Octavian, would you mind sharing a few words about yourself as well?
Of course. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the session. Great to be in the presence of customers. Nationwide Building Society is a great customer of ours. And my role, I lead the customer success and sales engineering for EMEA. I'm based out of London. Been in analytics now for over 20 years. Been with ThoughtSpot for a little over 2 years. And look forward to our chat. Data is absolutely our passion here.
Same here, and I guess if our audience is here at the conference today, we must be sharing some common passion and some common interest. Richard, over to you for a quick introduction.
Sure. So my name is Richard Henderson. I lead the technical teams in EMEA for TigerGraph. TigerGraph are the new generation of database technologies, which are very much focused on real-time analytics. And my background has been in fast data for a long, long time. But particularly, I did a lot of architecture work for manufacturing sector, financial, investment banks. I hesitate to say any more because it would suggest just how old I am. But they're and really, I don't know, it's an exciting time. I'm really interested in the application of data, specifically in the operational space, which I think is the subject today. So it's something very close to my heart. And I'm also very pleased to say Aymeric, who is a very targeted prospect of ours, and I'm sure we'll be able to get in touch later.
I'm sure you will.
Perfect. Thanks a lot, team, for the introduction. So for our audience, as you can see, we have a fairly diverse set of characters here at the panel. And again, I mean, we're trying to actually discuss the value that comes out of the data. We'll try our best to give you some tangible examples, some, let's call it, best practices coming from our experiences. We'll try to comment as well on the obstacles that you may try to overcome while trying to become more data-driven. So, gentlemen, why don't I kick us off? I mean, obviously, we're at the Data and AI Sofa Summit, right? Which means that a bulk of the people that are here with us in the room already sees data as a very important asset, and yet there's quite a lot of hype still in the air, especially around AI. And to give our audience some concrete examples, could you actually share either the most recent or your most favorite example illustrating the value of the data in operations optimization? Anyone of you willing to start?
Yeah, I can go first.
Go ahead.
So, and I actually gave a little talk about this earlier today, so which hopefully will be around. So if this is of interest to people, then they can check it out. It gives a little more detail. One of our big customers is Jaguar Land Rover. And particularly their problems were in the supply chain space. And the difficulty they had was that if there was a problem with a part or with an order or with anywhere in their chain of activity, it would take them 3 weeks of effort